I'm going to show you how to fix a black and white screen on your OnePlus 15. So if you have this problem with your OnePlus 15 that's showing a black and white screen or a screen that's just off color, then go to settings, and then under settings, scroll down to accessibility and convenience, tap on that, and then go to accessibility, tap on that, and then you want to tap on vision at the top there. Now here under display, this is where you might have a problem. So you might want to go and try to disable all this stuff. Okay, you have high contrast, reduce white points, color inversion, color correction, or everything. Just make sure everything is off one by one until you address the problem. So for instance, you can see my color correction is on, and my color correction is on, and grayscale has been selected. So that means grayscale is my problem. So I need to go maybe to this one, or I can go ahead and turn off color correction altogether. And once I turn off color correction, you can see the color comes back to my user interface on my OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching. Good luck.